Hello class, this is Ms. Campos, instructor for your Mac 103 Communications class. There's a couple things I wanted to go over moving forward in the class. This instructional video is going to go over how to submit assignment 1, which is due Wednesday. You've got several assignments throughout your class, I'm sorry. So you have assignment 1 there, then you've got assignment 2 here, then you've got assignment 3, assignment 4, and assignment 5, and assignment 6. Each assignment will be submitted the exact same way, so I wanted to do an instructional video on how to do that. So you would click assignment 1, it would bring you to this window here, then you would click here, assignment 1, it would populate at the bottom, click the document where it says assignment 1 at the very bottom of your computer. Open that. It should take you to Word. Once it opens up, it will allow you enable editing. Always enable editing at the top. It will allow you to answer the questions. So you basically place your cursor there and you answer your question here, and then just so on and so forth. Then once you've completed that, you would close the document. Yes, you will save it. I suggest to save it on your desktop or a place that you know. Once you've saved it, then you're going to add to submission, and then you're going to click this arrow to find your document. When you click the arrow, it'll take you here. Choose a file. Now, you'd want to choose a file from the files that you which would be here, assignment 1. Because I opened it in downloads, so there you go. You just click open, upload this file, and there it is. Then you can just hit save changes. If you've got any additional questions in regards to submitting your assignments, please let me know. Reach out to me. I'm available to you. My information is over in the announcements under the welcome, and you'll find my email and my SEI text. Thank you very much.